Hello, welcome back to Capsim 2023 Round 2. This video gives guidelines to and tips how to save the company from Round 2. It means the team did Round 1 not right, so we need to fix that in Round 2. So to start fixing from Round 2, we need to check the industry condition report again. As you see on the screen, check the industry condition report again to make sure that we have the right R&D table, research and development table, so that we can update the product correctly. You see on the screen that the first row starts from 5.1 for traditional, and then we have 8 rounds, but remember we need to update the product 8 round using the table number 3 to move the product to the ideal spot, and also we need to check the table 4 for the growth rate of each product segment differently from basically from 10 or 20% each round. Each product has different each segment has different growth rate, so you see, you check that in the industry condition report as you are seeing on the screen, right? You see on the screen. And also we check the customer buying criteria. You open the career report and see that team A in this case untrue. They did very mistake in round 1, quite bad, because the sale is very low. You see that only 54 million here. It is very serious. So now we need to fix that in round 2. Don't worry too much, we can get back good sale and profit after round 2, 3 and 4. In round 4 we can get back a turnaround and get back good sales and profit from round 4. And from round 5 to 8 we can still lead the game with top sales and profit. So we update the product, and you see on the screen we can use the Excel file to calculate R&D precisely and conveniently. We update the product to close to the ideal spot of round 2, and we increase performance and reduce size, and also get the right MTBF. Because this is round 2, so we add 2 new products, agree, another low end and another traditional, because these 2 products has the largest sales and good growth rate. So we add a new product in low end and a new product in traditional, and from round 4 we can have double sale and profit in these 2 segments, and then we can gain back good sale and profit. For R&D, again we need to check the revision date. It means the time when the revised product are launched. So we need to make sure that the new product will be launched in the same year, in this case 2025. So we update again, adjust the performance and size to make sure that the new product will be launched in the same year and new product next year. So now you see that we move to the second table, the marketing. We set the price for 5 existing products. You see on the screen, we can use this number for your game. This is the most optimal price. And for marketing table, it is a little bit different, maybe different from your game, because in this video it is advanced marketing decision. And for advanced marketing decision, you see more numbers to input. If you have simple marketing decision, your table will be less complicated than this, much more simple. You just put 1,400 for both promotion and sale for round 2, and this is okay. You can use around 2,000 for low end and 1,600 for traditional, because you focus more on these 2 segments first, right? And you can also see the table for sales budget. You also input 6 and 8. It is okay, right? To get the budget around 1,000, you see on the screen. And although allocation of time, use 20 for all the 5 existing products. Again, this video show how to save the company from round 2. It means that this team, they did the mistake in round 1, and then require the support to an explanation to recover from their mistake in round 1. So if you are watching this video, you can see that if you have no trouble, it is okay. If you watch this video, you can see how to get the company back to good sale and profit from the mistake in round 1. So on the screen you see we are going to calculate the sales forecast for round 2. The mistake that in round 1 the team in this company they did not sell enough required product, so you see that they sell everything, inventory is nearly zero, so you cannot use that, so you need to calculate for the sales forecast. So it is a better way we use the sales units from the good running company, maybe team 2, maybe the average of the other team. Sorry. So we just input sales forecast using the average of units sold from last round, and we can add about 15 or 20%. And now we calculate the production schedule. So we use the production plan or production schedule by the sales forecast minus or deduct inventory. In this case 0, right? And it is very important for the production table. We need to make the set decision for capacity. So we sell the surplus and we add more capacity for the new product is very important, so we can start production from next round. It means round 3, right? And also we need to increase automation to save the cost and increase the quality. So you see on the screen we need to check the total budget. In this case we need to adjust a little bit to have the spending within the required allowed budget, right? The max investment, you see that. So we adjust a little bit the performance and automation to make sure we have enough budget for automation and expansion of production. For human resource, we use 3,040 hours only for this round and next round, and from round 4 we can increase to 5,080 hours. For finance, we should use all the 3 sources of funds, so we use max stock issue, max current debt, and also max long-term loans, right? So all the 3 issues should support our decision to get the company back to good sales and profit. We apply strong promotion and sales. And for total quality management or TQM decision, we use 1,000, maybe 1,200 or 1,100 for all the 10 initiative activities. So we will get good sales and profit for round 2 and round 3. Yeah. If you need the support, you can send the email. You can check the website for more details. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.